Hey guys, this is Rohit. So today we will be reviewing. Hello. The voice quality sucks. That's by any microphone.
In the beginning, there was time. No room for darkness to take place.
So in this video, I will be unboxing budget-friendly microphone. It's Maono AU-A04TR. So currently I'm using this microphone. As you can listen, voice quality is so good, it's not catching any kind of background noise. So in this video, I will be doing in-depth review of this microphone. Let's get into it. If you are wondering for how much I got this mic for 2300 rupees on Amazon. I'm leaving the link in the description, you can check it out. I got this tiered package, I don't know why. Let's open it. Here's the main box with no branding. Box is a bit heavy. So the first thing we have is user manual with multi-language. Here it says made in China. And another card with their technical support contacts and some QR code on it. So here we have our microphone. It is in the black matte with the logo on the front. Let's check the port. So here we have USB 2.0 port. Quality is quite premium and made of premium metal. So grill is also made of solid metal. Let's see what else we got in the box. So we also got a foam which I'm not going to use. It is usually for those who want to record their audio in windy environment. So we got USB 2.0 cable. Its length is 2.5 meter, which is quite lengthy. So here's our microphone holder. It's heavy and made of metal. And our tripod. Again, quality is so premium. And last but not least, silica gel, which will be directly going to the dustbin. Guys, it is a play and plug device. It means you don't need any drivers to install. You can also connect it to your mobile phone, but for that you will need OTG cable to connect it, which is not included in the box.
In the beginning, there was time.
So guys, if you are on tight budget but wants to buy premium quality mic, then you should definitely go for this mic. So guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit like button, share with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you want more videos like this, then press bell icon to get instant notification. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.
In the beginning.